DBMS डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। आज हम देखेंगे MCQs मल्टीपल चॉइस ऑफ क्वेश्चन। लर्न अप कंप्यूटर विद PPT। डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम presented by Sanjeevani Kottapalli। First question is, what is the full form of DBMS? A. Database binary data of binary management system. B. Database management system. C. Database management service. D. Data backup management system. Answer go to B. Database management system. Explain. DBMS is abbreviated as a database management system. Database management system store the data and allows authorized users to manipulate and modify the data. Next. What is a database? A. Organized a collection of information that cannot be accessed, updated and managed. B. Collection of data or information without organizing. C. Organized a collection of data or information that can be accessed, updated and managed. D. Organized a collection of data that cannot be updated. Answer go to C. Organized a collection of data or information that can be accessed, updated and managed. This is the database. 3. What is DBMS? DBMS is a collection of frequent queries. B. DBMS is a high-level language. C. DBMS is a programming language. D. DBMS stores, modifies and retrieves data. Answer go to D. DBMS stores, modifies and retrieves data. Explain. DBMS is a nothing but a storehouse wherein the organized user can create a database to store, modify or retrieve the organized data in the table. It can be modified or retrieved by users who have access to DBMS only. Next. Who created the first DBMS? Edgar Frankfurt, Charles Bachman, C. Charles Babbage, D. Sean B. Code. Answer go to B. Charles Bachman. Explain. Charles Bachman along with his team invented the first DBMS known as Integrated Data Store, IDS. Next. Which type of data can be stored in the database? Image-oriented data. B. Text files containing data. C. Data in the form of audio, video. D. All of the above. Answer go to D. All of the above. Explain. The reason for creating the database management system was to store large data, and these can be of any form: image, text, audio or video files, etc. DBMS allows users to store and access the data of any format. Next. 6. In which of the following format data is stored in the database management system? A. Image. B. Text. C. Table. D. Graph. Answer go to C. Table. Explain. The data is stored in a database format intended to manage the storage of data and manipulate stored data to generate information. Next. Which of the following is not a type of a database? A. Hierarchical. B. Network. C. Distributed. D. Decentralized. Answer go to D. Decentralized. Explain. Centralized, decentralized, relational. 4. NoSQL. 5. Cloud. 6. Object oriented. 7. Hierarchical. 8. Network. Next. Which of the following is not an example of DBMS? A. MySQL. B. Microsoft Access. C. IBM DB2. D. Google. Answer go to D. Google. Explain. MySQL, Microsoft Access, IBM DB2 are database management system, while Google is a search engine. MySQL is a Linux-based database management system. Microsoft Access is a tool that is a part of Microsoft Office used to store data. IBM DB2 is database management system developed by IBM. Google's Bigtable is the database that runs Google's internet search, Google Map, YouTube, Gmail or other products. Next, which of the following is not a feature of DBMS? A. Minimum duplication and redundancy of data. B. High level of security. C. Single user access only. D. Support ACID property. Answer go to C. Single user access only. For example, single user access only is not a feature of DBMS. DBMS allows multiple users to access and manipulate the database concurrently. It provides mechanism to handle concurrent and access and ensure data consistency and integrity among multiple users. This is the high level security, multiple user access, support ACID property. This is the feature of DBMS. Which of the following is a feature of the database? A. No backup for the data stored. B. User interface provided. C. Lack of authentication. D. Store data in multiple locations. Answer go to B. User interface provided. Explain. The important features are provides backup for the data stored by the user and the user can retrieve the data whenever required. 2. Provides user interface to access the data. Only authorized users can access the stored data. Data is stored in one central location but multiple authorized users can access the data. Next, which of the following is not a function of the database? A. Managing stored data. B. Manipulating data. C. Security for stored data. D. Analyzing data. Answer go to D. Analyzing code. Explain. It allows authorized users to update, store, manipulate or access data. Since data is stored in table format, it is easy to access that data and perform the required functions. It also removes duplicate and redundant data. Next, which of the following is a function of the DBMS? Storing data, providing multiple users access control, data integrity, all of the above. Answer go to D, all of the above. Explain. The purposes of creating DBMS was to store the data. The data stored in the DBMS management system can be accessed by multiple users if the access is provided. The data stored will be accurate and complete, hence providing data integrity. Next, which of the following is a component of the DBMS? Data, data language, data manager, all of the above. Answer go to D, all of the above. Explain. The component of a DBMS are as follows: hardware, software, data manager, data language, and language like DDL, DML, DAL, and DCL allow or perform operations like creating, modifying, storing, and retrieving data. This is the component of a DBMS. What is information about data called? Hyperdata, teradata, metadata, relations. Answer go to C, metadata. Explain. Information about data is known as metadata. Metadata describe the data in detail by providing additional information like type, length of data, etc. What does an RDBMS consist of? Collection of records, collection of keys, collection of tables, collection of fields. Answer go to C, collection of tables. Explain. It consists of all a collection of tables, that is the data is organized in tabular format. The columns of the relation are known as fields and rows of the relations are known as record. Constant in a relation are known as keys. Next, dash is a hardware component that is most important for the operations of a database management system. A. Microsoft phone. B. High speed large capacity disk to store data. C. High resolution video display. D. Printer. Answer go to B. High speed large capacity disk to store data. Explain. Since all the data are stored in form of memory in the disk. A high speed and large capacity disk like required for the operations of the database management system. Next, dash dash is a set of one or more abbreviates taken collectively to unique identify record. A for primary key, B foreign key, C super key, D candidate key. Answer go to C, super key. Explain. Foreign key creates a relationship between two relation. Super key is superset all of the keys in a relation. A candidate key is used to identify tuple in a relation. Thank you for the watching video. MCQs.